5G technology is the latest advancement in mobile communication designed to provide faster speeds and more reliable connections. It operates on higher frequency bands compared to its predecessors, like 4G and 3G. Think of it as upgrading from a bicycle to a sports car. It's all about efficiency and speed. With 5G, data travels through the air in a way that allows for quicker downloads and smoother streaming, making everything from video calls to online gaming more seamless. However, with this new technology comes a wave of concerns about its safety. Many people worry about the radiation emitted by 5G towers and devices. This fear isn't new. It dates back to the early days of mobile phones when concerns about electromagnetic radiation first emerged. It's important to understand that radiation is a broad term. Not all radiation is harmful. In fact, we're constantly surrounded by electromagnetic waves from natural sources like sunlight to man-made ones like Wi-Fi. So, what does science say about the safety of electromagnetic waves? Research indicates that the levels of radiation emitted by 5G technology are well within safety limits established by global health organizations. These limits are based on extensive studies that assess the potential health risks. The consensus is that, under normal usage, 5G does not pose a significant risk to human health. Let's clear up some myths. One common misconception is that 5G causes cancer. However, numerous studies have found no conclusive evidence linking 5G technology to cancer or other health issues. It's essential to differentiate between myths and facts. For instance, while some claim that 5G weakens the immune system, scientific evidence does not support this assertion. When we compare 5G to older networks like 3G and 4G, the differences become clear. 5G uses higher frequency bands, which can carry more data at faster speeds. This means more devices can connect simultaneously without slowing down the network. Imagine a busy highway. 3G and 4G are like two-lane roads, while 5G is a multi-lane freeway, allowing for smoother traffic flow. Now, let's address some common conspiracy theories surrounding 5G. Some people believe that 5G is linked to the spread of diseases like COVID-19. However, scientific evidence does not support these claims. In fact, health organizations worldwide, including the World Health Organization, state that 5G is safe when used within established limits. Today, 5G is being utilized in various innovative ways. From enhancing telemedicine to enabling smart cities, the potential applications are vast. For example, it allows for real-time data sharing in healthcare, improving patient outcomes, and making remote surgeries possible. Global health organizations emphasize that 5G is safe within established limits. They continuously monitor research and update guidelines as necessary. While 5G isn't proven to be dangerous, it's crucial to keep an eye on ongoing research to ensure public safety. In conclusion, while concerns about 5G technology are understandable, the current scientific consensus supports its safety. As we embrace this new technology, it's essential to stay informed and rely on credible sources. The journey of understanding 5G is ongoing, and with continued research, we can navigate the future confidently.